I preach on the fact of laying the right foundation. Now, I was eating 3 to 4 pounds of meat a day. I really was trying to prove a point. Somebody, I forget who, but somebody challenged me saying you cannot gain weight on the carnivore diet. You can 100% gain weight on the carnivore diet. It's really difficult though. But because I proved the point, I'm now gonna drop some weight and get really cut. And I'm gonna eat 1 to 2 pounds of meat a day. Now this is a 1 pound steak from your local grocery store. I do not recommend using your local grocery store for meat. Who knows what they put in it. And this is a London broil, a very lean cut of meat. Also something you do not want. You want fatty cuts because your nervous system and brain need fattier cuts such as ribeye. But these eggs, on the other hand, these are from my local farmer in Maryland. I usually get the meat from them, but I ran out, so I just had to go to your local grocery store. It's not the best cut for neurological disorders. It does its job. If you ask your standard medical doctor that you eat this way, they'll lose their mind. They know nothing about nutrition at all. They only receive 19.6 hours of nutritional training in medical school. They really learn all their pharmaceuticals. They learn a list, pages and pages of pharmaceuticals. This is why they want to push this on you. But this is my dinner, along with my dinner and my nightly drink. I use 10 grams of creatine and I use salty electrolytes. And 5% off in description, I use their clean slate, which has no flavor, but they have ones that are with flavor, and they are sweetened with stevia, which is better for a better sweetener than your standard sweetener like aspartame or that junk. But in the morning, I have a very similar drink. It's a salty packet, but they make these with caffeine and another 10 grams of creatine, including methylene blue. So I have 20 grams daily of creatine, and I don't take this for muscles. Everyone thinks it's for muscles. No, it's for your brain. It does a whole host of things. This stuff is amazing. And the reason I have this, because I might have this in the middle of the day. Especially if I get fatigued or shaky after the gym, I'll have a crazy meat stick, and you'll get 10% off in the description below. But again, this is a pound of meat and 4 eggs. I now eat probably 1 to 2 pounds, 3 pounds of meat a day. And if you ask your normal person, they'll think that's too much. It's not. When you eat this way, you really are eating completely different. And the way of this, it's more bioavailable to your body, meaning your body will know what to do with it. When you eat like vegetables, cereal, stuff like that, your body doesn't know what to do with it, so it gets rid of that, so you will have a lot of waste. When you eat like this, your waste is very minimal. This is the way to eat, definitely. And this again is my standard dinner, I usually eat ground beef instead of steak, but I have a steak here. But again, as you can see, I have this. Just use a high quality salt, salt your food, and you're good to go. For if you want more nutritional facts or help, please be sure to check out our website, schedule your free consultation, like, share, and subscribe. Also, it's not impossible what I'm doing. It's impossible for those that are going with their typical doctor advice. Lay the correct foundation.